Hello everyone, this side is Ujjwal from Gem and Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I will show you the different locations in which your Panther client server application will locate your initialization file. So, the first question is, what is Panther initialization file? An application that runs under Microsoft Windows uses an initialization file to set defaults. Any file settings control the appearance and behavior of Panther applications which are running under Windows. For example, specifications for basic color mapping, Windows display, and other behaviors. The any file that you supply with a deployed application can provide initial settings. Individual users can later change these settings to suit their preferences. Any file settings override any duplicate settings which are mentioned in SMVars or SM setup files. Based on the system type, any files are categorized into two types. For Panther 32-bit, the any file called prol5w32.ini. For Panther 564-bit, the any file called prol5w64.ini. Panther initialization file search. Each application can have its own ini file. At startup, Panther looks for the ini file in the following places. For the first method for picking your ini file is the ini file name that is supplied as an argument to SMPIMW setups in the file called piinit.c, which is in the link folder of your installed Panther application. The second method is the any file that is supplied as the -any option used when starting the application. Here you can see my ini file called prol5w32, which is in the C prolifix. I am giving the same location here, and after that I am giving the location of my product32.exe, which is in the util folder, and now I am giving -ini and again the location of my ini file, that is prol532. If I will just enter this command, and it will open the Panther with the same ini file which I pointed in the command prompt. The third method is an ini file whose base name is the same as a Panther exe. For example, I have my executable for Panther is prodev32.exe, then it should have same ini file of the same name like product32.ini, and the location of the particular ini file should be in the C windows of your system. If I will start the Panther product32.exe, then it will pick the same file of the same name which is in the C windows. So this is the third method to pick a Panther ini file. The fourth method to put the ini file supplied with Panther like prol5w32.ini or prol5w64.ini in the users window folder. Users window folder for me like C users, umishra, app data, local, virtual store, Windows. Panther will pick the same ini file if I will put the SM path of Panther exe in this ini file which is in the users window. So that's it for today.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing a content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.